so much, sir. That was quite impressive indeed. We are here to mark on a very, very historic moment. And a few more, couple of minutes, we are going to be arriving there. To do the honors for the bell ringing ceremony, I would request the humble presence of our following dignitaries to join me here on stage. Mr. Arjun Rajput, Mr. Anish Mathur, Mr. V. Krishnan, Mr. Ajay Thakur, and the entire team of Fine Cars. एक बार जोरदार तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से इनका हम स्वागत करते हैं. As they ring this bell, let it symbolize not just the beginning of trading for Fine Cars, but also the continuation of innovation, growth and success. I would request our dignitaries to kindly come join us here on stage. I would also request Mr. Aman to join in here. Please, all of you together here on the stage. Let's seize the moment. Let's make this count. We'll be having the grand countdown now, and I want you all to be part of it. Another 3 minutes, and exactly at 10 a.m., we are going to be listed.